Hello guys, welcome to Duduk Craft again, and today we're gonna go ahead and test the Duduk in key H. I have a Duduk in key H in black right here. I don't know if you can see the key engraved on a Duduk right there, and we're gonna go ahead and make some, see how it sounds. And first of all, I got the reed, and I want to make sure I got the right reed for the H Duduk. 6 holes closed and the thumb closed. They should give me B. Well, we got the right reed. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some Okay, this was the sound of H Duduk. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you on our next videos.